Hello and welcome to the Geek Club, and for today's video we're going to be looking at a classic on the Amiga, which means I'm going to be terrible at it. Alien 3. Yes, I am terrible at most Alien games, so yes. And this is the first gaming video I've got this thing, which means I've got VU meters over there, which are quite distracting, but I'm sure I'll get used to it. Right, so, where have I put my... There it is. Yes, it is beer o'clock. I wasn't going to drink beer, but we've had a few setup problems today, so it's now beer o'clock. So, let's play Alien 3. And this is the Hacktro, as they call them. Let's get it going. Don't usually show the Hacktro. Virgin Games. Ooh, yeah. Talk dirty to me, baby. Yeah. Get out there. Thought I'd give you an extra treat there while you're waiting for this to come on. Now, I did do a trial run of this to make sure it's working and all that, as you do, and I thought the sound had gone on the Amiga. But it appears that this game has no sound. Weird, until you get to the main bit. Okay, let's go, and let's play this thing, and let's do this thing. Yes. Right, so, yeah, even running around, there's no sound. Until you press fire. Which is annoying. Oh dear. I got a feeling. I'm just not going to last long in this game. I got a feeling. Come on. Where's Alien gone? I'm watching that top screen more than the bottom screen. Oh, what a pain. Come on. They appear so fast. And I shot him. What a poor steward. See, I shot that one. Wow, it's amazing. You just can't kill anything. Not that any change for me, but... See, I am shooting them, and they get me every time. What am I doing wrong? Yeah. Oh, right, okay. This is not quite Alien... Woo. This is not quite like the Alien game. Oh, God. I shot the good guy. Oh, dear. Come on. Up. Nope, okay. We're not intending to go that way, then. Ah, tunnel. More tunnels to lead me probably back to the same place. Right, game. Can I? Yes. Let's just wait for a second there. It's annoying. It's very annoying. Yeah, I got the feeling I'm hopelessly lost and will remain hopelessly lost for the rest of this video. To put it subtly. This is one of those games where you get, oh God, gonna have to remember it for a long time where you're going and learn it. It's not one of these you can just simply walk around and that's it. So let's drop down. Oh, God. Oh, dear. Bit of a cock up there. Get ready. I make my own sound shallow in this game. Nobody else can be bothered to make any sound for it. Oh, God. Am I back at the beginning? Oh, let's just go down here this time. Let's ignore him. Ah, right. Okay. So there's a bit of strategizing to get around the alien by the looks of it. Oh, God. Oh, that was horrible. Oh. They are the dumbest aliens in the world, aren't they? Because they just ignore you. Cock. Stop dying, you pain in the ass. Oh, that's a good guy. Let's get him. Look like they just die as you come near them. Whoa, you bother put a sound effect there. I'm impressed. Let's get another one. There we go. Ooh, there's an alien underneath there. He's scary. Scary, scary, fiery. Now, what do I do here? Why have I got two platforms? No. Oh, there we go. Okay, I can go that way. I am quite amazed. It's very sensitive here as to how you're getting on the... there we go. Alright. Medical kit, yeah, always need that. was no way out up there, was there? Am I not being stupid, am I? More stupid than usual? No. Looks like there's no way out. Oh. Right, let's go along this way. Let's see what we can see. Nothing. Okay. Let's go up this way and see what we can see. Right. I can see. Oh. I managed to find a way out this time. Okay. Right, I am not dropping down there again because last time that led to my doom, and I don't like it when it's doomed. It's not friendly at all. I do not like doomed. Thank you. Right, what are we doing now? I've been here before, yes. Ooh, you bugger. How come my bullets do not affect humans? They are weird humans. Maybe they are genetic mutants. God, you die an awful lot in this game. Is he going to come back? Is it that intelligent? Let's go see. No, it's gone somewhere else. Alright then. Oh, you just don't get enough chance to shoot them. It's irritating. And they just seem to come out of nowhere. Right, no, gotta go up here. We're being forced again. We've been this way. Don't want to go this way. Mummy, tell him I don't want to go this way. I want to go that way. Ooh. The guy. Aliens up the yin-yang. Okay, so if I do that again. Ooh. Shall we go somewhere else? Is that bored in this direction? Can we get enough of a jump on to get on that platform where the alien is? Yes! Right, now I should get a chance to... There we go! And the stairs don't work, so I'm just going to go back down there. And my options are limited by what you can see. So as soon as I... Yeah, you don't get enough chance to shoot it. And we're just going back down where I've gone. Oh, God. Hey, e-bike. Right, I think that is enough of Alien 3, because I'm just going round in circles here. So, yes, bit of a quiet game, that one. And a bit tough, as you might think. It's one of those where you've got to learn your way around it. So, if you've enjoyed that video and you haven't already, please subscribe. There are more Amiga and retro game playlists over there in the cards, and our social media, including our popular Facebook group, can be found down below. So thank you. Beer enough. Beer enough. Beer much. Yes, that's the one. Beer much. Thank you. Beer much.
You need to quit being dirty. You're a dirty boy.